How to deactivate your Spotify account? So first of all, open the Spotify app, then click on the profile icon, and you will see options like setting and privacy options. Then click on the about options, and enter the Chrome browser and log in now the Chrome browser Spotify account like this, and click on the three lines and choose the account options and scroll down and you will see options like this support options here. So click on it and click on the manage your account option here, and account settings, and you will see options like this close your account and delete data. Click on it, and manage your account and close your account and delete your data. So click on it, and close account and delete my data, and close my account. We are generating your account information. This will only take 5 seconds. So wait now. Close my account and delete my data. So click on it. The confirm account close will send email to. So click on it here to yes options, and your account is successfully deleted. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.